Okay, today we are starting a new chapter, that is fundamental concept of geometry. Geometry is related to the drawing by using compass, scale, or there are other instrument. We will learn today what is point. Point means just a, you can give a, this is a point, this is a point. So it determines a location, or we can say it a mark position. If you mark any point, like look at this, A is a point here. This is a point, and I have given the name of the point is A. Next problem is line. Line means which are not having any starting or end point. There is an arrow. Arrow means that is continuing on that side, and in that side there is also arrow. That means that is also continuing on that side. So line has no end point or starting point. It is a long thin mark which can be extended indefinitely in both the direction. That means you can extend it in both the direction as you want. Next is line segment. Line segment means if you cut the things, cut some part of the line, that become line segment. That means whatever you draw in the copy, that is actually line segment, because that has a fixed length, 5 meter, 10 meter, 6 meter. Line segment means you know the starting point and ending point both. This is known as line segment. If you are writing the name of a line, you have to give that arrow. If you are writing the name of a line segment, you don't have to give, that is not compulsory. Whatever line is given, you can see for writing the name, that is not compulsory. You can give it or you may not give it, that is your choice. But if you are writing the name of a line, that is you have to give, that is compulsory. Look at that, how to write the name of a line segment. You can write AB or BA, both is possible. Measuring a line segment, you know how to draw the line segment by using scale. Look at that, that is a scale. If you want to draw 4 meter length or 4 centimeter length, actually that is a centimeter scale, so you can draw 4 centimeter. You have to draw the line from here to here, that becomes 4 centimeter. If you want to draw the 3.5 centimeter, so you have to draw up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up to here you have to draw. If you want to draw 3.5 centimeter length, you have to draw from 0 to 3.5 meter. That is the way you can use, or you can draw the line by using scale, or that is also known as ruler. Using a ruler, how to draw the line segment is given. Using a divider or ruler, that is you can cut that length 5 meter and you can use it anywhere, that is not compulsory to learn. Drawing a line segment, again it is given. Using compass, you can also draw that line. You can take the length from the compass and you can draw it. You can first draw a line, then take the length of 3 centimeter and cut it from the line. That will become 3 centimeter line segment. Okay, there are 3 things. You have ray. You have learned about line and line segment. What is ray? Ray means which are having starting point but there is no end point, like ray of torch light. You can see that the starting point is the torch, pointer of the torch. You know that starting point, but ending point, where it is ending, you don't know. That's why this is a ray. Ray is having one starting point but ending point is unknown. So the 3 difference between line segment and ray. A line has no end point, line segment has 2 end point, a ray has 1 end point. It does not have definite length, but it has definite length. It does not have a definite length. Diagram is given. Diagram is given. Line AB is same as line BA. Here is also line segment AB is the same as line BA. But here AB and BA is not same. You have to remember. AB means it is starting from A and going to the B. But if you write BA, that means that is starting from B and ending at A. But here from the picture it is visible that is starting from A and going infinitely to the B. So you can write AB, not BA. So the difference between line segment and ray is clear. You have learned the basic things about this chapter. From tomorrow we will start the exercise. Thank you.